Vista Ultimate Language Packs are actually located in the Windows Update portion of Vista. Vista Ultimate particularly, because the language packs aren't on any other version of Vista. So with Ultimate being the culmination of both the home side and the business side, you're going to also find some what are called Vista Ultimate extras. Things like the dream scene, which actually moves your background as instead of having a static picture. But in this case, we're kind of looking for the language packs. So to find that, you would go to the Start menu, go to Control Panel, and then you would go under Windows Update, and then you would click on Windows Update Extras. So I'll show you that now. The Windows Update language packs are actually under either the normal Windows Update section, or you can go under the Extras segment that you would find Dream Scene or Texas Hold'em Solitaire, or those things that you only find in Windows Vista Ultimate. This is kind of like a marketing tool that Microsoft used. So once you install this language pack, you can then put any portion of Windows into whatever language that you're talking about. So if we download the Czech language pack, you can then view everything on the screen, whether it be in any program like Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or Internet Explorer, anything like that, into whatever language that you download.